guys, as you may see, we are on a field, but it's not plugged. There was a corn, but on the top of a hill you may see it's plugged, but it's far away from the settlement. Changing location, unfortunately we will not dig. There was a creek, water, and you got evidence of pottery. So people lived here a long time ago. Jar pottery. Weather conditions, windy, also rainy, but we digging. So windy, but I can't find bird from bracelet, less bracelet. As you may see, a lot of mud, but it's a bracelet. So it's tough. And I've got musket bullet, 19th century. But it's not another bullet. Somebody shoot here. Windy, and I've got walk a lot, muddy, and I've got, you may see, it's part from people, unfortunately, with losers. Aye. There was a needle and unfortunately there's nothing, just part of, unfortunately. Muddy, rainy. Guys are frozen, they are washing their machines, but I'm still digging and I've got a signal. And it's part of fibula. You may see another one fragment. Unfortunately we lose this, but who knows? I got maybe half hour, maybe I'll find Roman coin. Nobody knows, but we're digging. What a beautiful pottery. Fragment from pottery. And I've got third one, part from fibula. Guys went to the car, but I'm still digging. Extra crazy digging, and you got one copper Soviet Union. Whoa. Ho 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 ho. Ho ho ho. Hardcore. Some modern pottery. Ceramic. I don't know what is it. Yes, left 3 minutes of digging. Going home. Keeping my machine, spade, shell, pottery, fragment from garden button, and bracelet, glass. That's all. Also one copper, top 17. Bad condition.